Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss a live video from your favorite Facebook page, enabling push notifications is the way to go, especially with the latest Facebook update for PC users. Today, I'll walk you through each step so you can stay instantly connected whenever your page goes live. First, open your preferred web browser and go to facebook.com. Log in if you haven't already. Next, look to the top right corner of your Facebook homepage. Click on your profile photo. This brings up a menu with all your profiles and pages. Now, select the page you manage or want to receive live video notifications from. Click on the page's profile photo to enter the page's main dashboard. Once you're on your page, find the menu on the left or the drop-down in the top right and click on Settings and Privacy. From there, choose Settings. This will take you to the main settings area for your page. Scroll down in the Settings menu and click on Notifications. Here, you'll see a variety of notification options. Look for the Video section. This is where you can control how you're notified about live videos and other video content. Under the Video section, find the option for push notifications. Toggle this switch to enable or on. This means you'll get real-time push notifications on your desktop whenever your page goes live or posts new video content. And that's it. With push notifications enabled, you'll always be the first to know when your page starts a live video, helping you engage with your audience right away. Remember, if you're not seeing notifications, double-check your browser's notification settings to make sure Facebook is allowed to send alerts. Keeping your browser and Facebook updated also helps ensure everything runs smoothly. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying connected with your audience through Facebook Live.